Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to do prime factorization using the ladder method. Now, we already know that prime factorization is a way of expressing the given number as the product of its prime factors. So we will learn how to find prime factors using the ladder method first. Let us take an example, say 72. Now, if we need to find the prime factors of 72, what do is we make a ladder like this. Now, the smallest prime number that divides 72 is 2. So, let us write down 2 over here. Now, 2 times what gives you 72? 2 times 36 gives us 72. So, we write down 36 here. Again, in the next step, what do is we write down the number here which divides 36. The number has to be a prime number. Now, the smallest prime number that divides 36 is 2. And 2 times 18 gives us 36. So, we write down 18 over here. Again, the smallest prime number that divides 18 is 2. So, we write down 2 over here. And 2 times 9 gives us 18. So, we write down 9 here. Now, the smallest prime number that divides 9 is 3. So, we write down 3 over here. And 3 times 3 gives us 9. Now, to end this over here, the smallest prime number that divides 3 is 3. So, we write down 3 over here. 3 times 3 is 1. And 3 multiplied to 1 gives 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 multiplied to 1 gives us 3. So, these are the prime factors of 72. And 72 can be expressed as the product of its prime factors, which is called as prime factorization. So, we will write down like this. The prime factorization of 72 is this. Let us take another example, say 75. Now, if you want to take 75, what do is we first start with the smallest prime number that divides 75. We know the smallest prime number that divides 75 is 3. As 75 is divisible by 3, we can do the divisibility test. Now, how do we get 75? 75 is 3 2s are 6 and we get 5 over here. 25 times 3 gives 75. So 3 is the smallest prime number. Now, how do we get 25? Now, the smallest prime number that divides 25 is 5. 5 times 5 gives us 25. Now, the smallest prime number that divides 5 is 5 and 5 times 1 gives you 5. So, the prime factorization of 75 is 3 times 5 times 5. So this is the prime factorization of 75. I hope the concept of ladder method is clear through this video. Keep following my channel and like and subscribe. Like my video, subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.